Good afternoon. I'm Raine Musñgi. This is Newsfeed. Moody's rating slightly lowers its GDP forecast for the Philippines this year. It now expects the economy to grow by 6.1%, down from 6.2% projection made last year. The debt watcher cites rising employment, public investments, and higher remittance inflows as key drivers of economic performance. The forecast sits within the government's 2025 growth target of 6 to 8%. Philippine shares dip following Wall Street's rally on lower than expected U.S. inflation data. The PSEi index was down by 1%, finishing the day as the worst performer in Asia. Among the sectoral indices, only mining and oil ended in the green, with financials falling the most at almost 2%. Despite this, advancers outpaced decliners 104 to 96. Total value turnover stood at 6.2 billion pesos. Majority of the day's most active stocks ended in the red. BDO Unibank had the biggest decline, falling 4%. The Bank of Korea unexpectedly leaves its policy interest rate unchanged at 3%. Governor Ri Chang-yong says the decision reflects a need to support the won, which has hit a 15-year low against the dollar in recent weeks. The currency slide comes amid heightened political tensions in the country. Ri says the central bank needs to wait for the domestic turmoil to stabilize before it can make further rate cuts. In the U.S., outgoing President Joe Biden sounds the alarm on oligarchy and social media manipulation in his final Oval Office speech. Biden quickly began his address by warning about a supposed dangerous concentration of wealth in America.
Today, an oligarchy is taking shape in America of extreme wealth, power, and influence that literally threatens our entire democracy, our basic rights and freedoms, and a fair shot for everyone to get ahead. People should be able to make as much as they can, but play by the same rules, pay their fair share of taxes.
Biden also spoke of a tech industrial complex that he said is bringing an avalanche of misinformation and disinformation, enabling the abuse of power.
The free press is crumbling. Editors are disappearing. Social media is giving up on fact-checking. The truth is smothered by lies told for power and for profit. We must hold the social platforms accountable to protect our children, our families, and our very democracy from the abuse of power. In the age of AI, it's more important than ever that the people must govern. And as the land of liberty, America, not China, must lead the world in the development of AI.
And before we go, here are today's market winners and losers. Those are the news this hour. I'm Raine Musñgi. Stay tuned to the Bilyonaryo News channel on Free TV Channel 31, Channel 24 on Cignal, and on our website, bnc.ph. Thanks for watching.